Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, by what number should we divide 625 to get a perfect cube? Here we have to find the number from which, when we divide 625 by that number, we get a perfect cube. To find the solution of this problem, firstly we need to find the prime factorization of 625. So we can start by prime number 5. 625 by 5 is 125. Again 125 by 5 is 25. 25 by 5 is 5. So this 625 can be factorized as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 to the power 3 into 5. Hence, from this we can find a number as 5. Hence, to get a perfect cube, six 25 625 should be divided by 5. So 625 divided by 5 will be 125, which is perfect cube of 5. Six 25 divided by 5 will be 125, which is the perfect cube of 5 to the which is the perfect cube of 5. Hence our answer is 5, which is our option B.